let's start with this. The largest employer in the city of New York is the city of New York. When you consider that it has 378,000 workers and that this affects them and their families and their communities, you see how big an issue this is, literally affecting millions of New Yorkers. An agreement between municipal workers' unions and the city government allows city employees who ask for an exemption to the vaccination mandate to still get paid and to keep their health insurance.
We're seeing a high level of working together and moving things forward from the vast majority of our unions, and that's really good news.
On the radio today, Mayor Bill de Blasio talked about these latest figures. 92% of all city workers have now gotten at least one dose of COVID vaccine, which means that at almost all of the city's agencies, over 90% of workers are complying with the mandate. But there are exceptions. The Department of Sanitation is 86% vaccinated. But now the unions representing sanitation employees have entered into the agreement with the city, so numbers could rise. Also below 90%, the NYPD at 86% and FDNY firefighters at 80%. Both of those numbers are up significantly over the last 3 weeks, but unions for either agency have not joined agreements with the city.
Bring them back.
They want a testing option for unvaccinated firefighters. A weekly testing option is part of the deal that the unions who did sign on with the city get for workers who requested religious or medical exemptions by the end of today. They also can keep getting paid and get health insurance until a decision has been made on their case. Those who requested an exemption by last Tuesday and are denied keep pay and benefits while they appeal the decision. The mayor is encouraging private companies to follow the city's mandate, but some private sector employees say exemptions there are vital.
They should have the right to choose what's good for them.
And she says that's why exemptions are so important. In the private sector, weekly testing will be allowed under newly released federal vaccination mandate guidelines.